Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today video is how to argan oil for hair benefits. There's a reason argan oil is sometimes referred to as liquid gold. When extracted from Morocco's argan trees, it can be used as body oil, hair oil, and even as cooking oil. What are the hair's benefits? Argan oil. Wondering what argan oil can do for your hair? The better question might be what cannot do it do? Because it's high in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E. Argan oil helps to hydrate and soften hair. It restores the hair's elasticity and shine, minimize frizz, and can even soothe a dry, itchy scalp. Here are a few of argan oil's biggest benefits. Number 1. It can help with dandruff. Yes, really. Argan oil is rich in antioxidants, so it's great for scalp treatments. Vaccaro says if your scalp is inflamed and prone to itchiness, argan can be a great solution. Argan oil helps to reduce inflammation and can relieve dandruff inducing oxidative stress. An imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Number 2. It makes your hairs shinier. Argan oil is famous for adding a shampoo commercial kind of argan oil is shine to hair strands. This is primarily thanks to the high concentration of essential fatty acids found in the oil. Number 3. It protects your hair too. Vitamin E helps to increase hair's elasticity, making it less prone to breakage. Additionally, the oil is a powerful antioxidant, protecting the hair against ultraviolet and free radical damage. Number 4. It's an amazing detangler. Argan oil has smaller molecules than most other hair oils, meaning it can penetrate the hair cuticle more effectively when the oil nutrients are absorbed better. The hair is softer, making it less prone to tangling. Number 5. It seals split ends and smooths frizz. Vitamin E and the omega fatty acids found in the argan oil provide moisture and protection to frayed or damaged hair shafts. The former strengthens the hair while the latter soothes frayed ends and frizz. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.